Hi, today I will explain about characteristics of cargo profile. First, for introduction, coal is commonly carried by ships, but it can be dangerous if not handled properly. Next, the cargo profile will self-heating of coal because coal can produce heat when it reacts with oxygen. This can cause the coal to catch fire. And then factors that increase risk. The factors is air, moisture, poor training, and mixed coal sizes increase self-heating risk. And then Indonesian coal is more prone to self-heating due to open storage and weather exposure. And then IMSBC. IMSBC code is coal carriage must follow the IMSBC code to ensure safety. Other than that, monitoring and safety. Coal must not be loaded above 55 Celsius. To monitor is used to detect yearly self-heating. The second last is action in emergency. If heating is detected, stop ventilation, seal the hole and inform the owners and P&I club. The last one is legal responsibility. Shippers must declare cargo correctly and owners refuse unsafe goods. Next, I will explain about justification of cargo profile. First, for introduction, Malaysia import thermal coal from Kalimantan to produce electricity in safe and efficient way. And then voyage fixing stage. Each suitable vessel is chosen by checking ship type, hull size, and cargo compatibility. And then cargo declaration. Thermal coal is declared according to the IMSBC code and SOLAS to inform the crew about risk. The next one is vessel instruction. The instructions are given to prepare clean and safe cargo holds before loading. And then operational coordination. Good coordination between all parties help reduce delays and operational risk. The second last is regulatory compliance. Coal transport follows the IMSBC code and MARPOL to ensure safety and protect the environment. And then the last one, for conclusion, these procedures make Malaysian thermal coal import safe, controlled and reliable for power generation.
So, for my first part is safety. There are three main points for safety in international sea transport. First, safety depends on strict regulation being followed. Second, proper navigation, weather monitoring, and good crew safety practices are essential to prevent accidents. Third, cargo risks such as self-heating and gas emissions must be controlled and accurate. Documentation is required to ensure safe transportation. So my second part is documentation. First is the bill of lading. It's used as proof that the goods have been shipped and shows the agreement between the shipper and the carrier. Two is the certificate of origin states the country where the goods come from and is needed for custom clearance. So the third is the packing list gives details about the cargo, such as the quantity, weight, and how the goods are packed to help during inspection and handling at the port.
Distance from Port Klang to Indonesia in kilometer is 1,434.24 kilometer, and for miles is 891.20 miles. So third one is cost. 20 feet container, full container load is USD 1,500 to 2,500. And for the second point is 40 feet container is full container load USD 2,500 to 3,500. So that's all from me.
So for the duration, overall shipping from Kalimantan, Indonesia to Port Klang, Malaysia usually take around 7 to 14 days, depending on the port, the shipping line and the type of service users. After that, the intermodal transport. This road uses intermodal transport where goods are first moved by truck or river barge in Kalimantan, then shipped by sea using container vessel and finally delivered in Malaysia mainly by truck or sometimes by rail to reach the final destination. So that is the method that we have been used for international sea transport Kalimantan Indonesia to Port Klang Malaysia.
So the first freight forwarder books based on the vessels. So it means the goods are packed into the containers and all shipping documents are prepared and checked carefully to prevent delays. So it means all the documents about the ship will be prepared and to avoid delays. So next, after that, the containers are handled at the port. So the large crane lift all the container and load them into the ships. Goods need special handlings such as hazardous materials must follow strict international safety rules to prevent dangerous. So they need to require special packaging, clear labels and safe storage. So lastly, refrigerated goods such as food and medicine are placed in refrigerated containers, so they will keep the temperature in control during the whole journey.